What's up, fam? We back. Mariner of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. 3-night cruise to the Bahamas. Let's go.
It's cruise day, baby! We made it to the port.
Yeah, we here, baby.
So we're a Mariner of the Seas.
It's cruise day.
We got here at 10:25
Still.
for our 11 o'clock boarding time because
30 minutes early. Let's see what happens.
you miss all the shots you don't take.
That's it. That's it.
Let's go.
You can do the muster drill in the terminal. Cruise hack number 1. Not on yet, but it's 11:06.
We made it on board. Mariner of the Seas.
She's a pretty one. She's a beaut.
She's a beaut. So Mariner of the Seas is part of Royal Caribbean's Voyager class. Its maiden voyage was in 2003 and it got its royal amplification in
2018.
It can accommodate over 4,000 guests and around 1,200 crew members on 14 guest decks. There's a sky pad, the perfect storm water slide, a flow rider, laser tag, an escape room, and a casino. And there's at least 15 different bars. So, time to get our embarkation Prosecco.
You know. Embarkation Prosecco. Let's go. Prosecco Annie, where you at?
It's not a cruise until you have your embarkation Prosecco.
Pink is out.
We just did our muster.
Oh, we mustered.
And I was saying to Jesse earlier that every time we muster, we're always in like a dining room or the show venues, and like that's not the place you want to be if shit goes down. So this time, our muster was actually
we requested a special
right there.
outside mustard.
You know,
We're closer to the lifeboats.
like lifeboat or muster. We're gonna make it on if something happens.
At the ship. Not trying to compare apples to oranges. This is a Royal Mariner ship that's been amplified, not Celebrity Apex brand new. Apex was super nice.
I was wondering how far I could walk backwards and not walk into
I
something.
miss this royal vibe of being able to walk around the ship and see a lot of ocean. Celebrity didn't. Remember?
Yeah.
Celebrity was all the lifeboats on the edge, so you're like in this little tunnel. Not here.
Elevators are for last day when you have luggage only.
Yeah.
Also, our rooms are supposed to be open at 1:30. That's really early.
Love it. Not mad about it.
And guess where we are?
Port Canaveral.
On the hump.
That's us.
Do the honors.
Oh yeah. Hashtag we here. What do we got here? Closet. Still plenty of room to go in the closet. I call it a walk-in, baby.
Shells. Oh gosh.
Hangers. Couch. Remote. TV. This one swivels. Whoop, 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 whoop. Desk. Right. Work. Time to check it out. Remember, kids, it's not a refrigerator.
It's a cooler.
Safe.
Storage. Oh, safe.
For the good stuff. Ooh, that's a new safe. That looks nice. Can't wait to save stuff there. Bonus cabinets. There's cabinets everywhere.
The bathroom. It's very basic, standard Royal Caribbean bathroom.
Basic
OG bathroom
for a basic travel couple.
Shower, you know. Ooh, big enough for me and most. Toilet, sink, all your basics. Some
Cups.
cups,
Gotta love the glasses.
trash. Yeah, enough to do your business.
That's it. Fantastic. Let's go.
That sounded really hard.
I think I'm in the crack.
You probably were in the crack. Because it's 2 beds pushed together to make a king bed because we're married.
Abby side, JJ side.
Wrong.
Don't cross. Reverse. Let's not kid ourselves. These are a little dated. It's a 2003 ship. It was revamped in 2018, but they didn't touch the rooms. At least it was minimally it did.
So it's just a little, dated looking.
But balcony, baby.
One with a real door.
I miss this. I miss this.
Chairs, table, chair, view. So would you say that you weren't a fan of the infinite verandas on Celebrity?
I would say it was an awesome room, but I would not take it over an actual balcony.
Okay, good answer.
Check my math.
Good answer.
Nah.
And now we're gonna go try out the hot tub because it's a cold day for
Chilling.
boarding.
60 degrees in Florida. Freezing here.
Shiver me timbers.
It's time for the solarium hot tub. Let's go. Jokes on us.
Jokes on us.
Woo. Everybody and their brother.
And their grandmothers and their uncles and their
And their
ex-cousins twice
19
removed.
kids.
We're in those hot tubs.
Yes. So I don't think we're doing a hot tub right now.
Yeah. So
Sad. Promenade. Here we go.
dun dun dun.
Just like that, we
cruising, baby.
are cruising, baby. Hashtag it's cruise day, baby.
Hashtag it's Tuesday. Hashtag we're unpacked. And it's almost dinner time.
And go. Ooh, wait. Miniature pro tip. If you get to the cabin 1, 2, 3 p.m., you don't have your bags, go right down the hall, like maybe a couple 100 feet both directions. Our bags have probably been there for hours. And instead we picked them up at 4:45 p.m.
No.
There's like 10 cabins down. Pro tip.
We just went to the sail away party. It was the first time we've ever been to a sail away party because we're losers and we normally sit in our room and unpack. But we didn't this time.
We sailed away in style. Now it's time for dinner. About to do it up. This is maybe one of our last cruises with the OG Royal Caribbean menus because I heard they're changing them up. So I'm about to have 6 shrimp cocktails
Yeah.
to start. I'll start with the shrimp cocktails.
Yeah.
That's it. Last time in our life getting the classic menu off Royal Caribbean. Teardrop. Oh, it's time.
Shrimp cocktail.
Team tonight.
Antipasti.
I get mine too.
Grilled chicken. Prime rib. Fried seafood. We got pizza. We got McUltras. We got sandwiches. We got JJ, wipe your face. You got pizza on it. So we went to the ice skating show tonight. It was good, right? It was good. It was cute. It was very cute. And we watched some good music at Bolero's for a while. Went to the casino for a little bit. Got a lot of food. But we're back at the room because tomorrow's Nassau. And for the first time, we're actually going to get off and go do something in Nassau. So, good night.